So, have you come up with an idea about the title? A reason for the title of the text? Yes? What do you think? Exactly. The text has a double title because the word parkour, which is of French origin, means exactly free running. That's absolutely right. Very good. Now listen, we've already learned about cognates, right? So I would like you to do the following. I would like you to look for about 10 cognates in the first paragraph of the text. Do you think you can do that? It's easy, huh? Yes? Okay, feel free to work with a partner, okay? And we'll check the answers in a few minutes. Okay, thank you. So, what have you found? Oh, many words. Good. So, how about going through them, reading through the text, okay? It's going to be easier that way. So, we have here the cognates. First, physical. And then, what do we have? Discipline. And then, training. And then, obstacle. Adapting. Movements. Urban. Areas. Performing. Wow. Do you really think performing is a cognate? How come? Okay, because we have the word performance in Portuguese. But remember, performance is a recent acquisition from English, right? It's called an Anglicism. It's like borrowing a word from another language. It's not really a cognate, okay? So, anything else? Two more words. Various and gymnastics. Very good. You're bright kids. Very good. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Why would a teacher ask the students to try to find cognates in a text? What for? What good does it do? Yeah? Right, I agree with you. Because these words will help us better understand the text. And this is the aim of any teacher, right? So with all that in mind, I would now like you to be divided into 3 groups, the whole class in 3 groups. Each group will make a summary of a different part of the text, okay? So you guys on this side, you're going to make a summary of the first part of the text, paragraphs 1 and 2. You guys in the middle will make a summary of the second part of the text, the one that has text markers, okay? And you here on this side, please make a summary of the last part of the text, the part where Adam Dunlap gives his take, his opinion about parkour, okay? Now, listen, we've already studied the steps we should take in this case. Let's remember the steps. First, read through the text carefully. Then, make a summary with everyone's contribution. This is very important. Everyone in the group has to give his or her contribution. And third, after you make the summary, you should read out the summary to the group and then focus on the conventions. This is very important as well. Okay? Focus on the conventions. Okay. And when you're finished, each group will present their summary to the other 2 groups, to the whole class, and then you hand over the papers to me. All right? Do you think you can make it in 7 to 10 minutes? Is that enough? Time enough? Yes? So go ahead. Thank you. Well, your summaries are very, very good. You all seem to have captured the main ideas in each part, the essence of each part. It's very well written. All 3 papers are very well written. But from what I can see here, some students are still a bit confused when it comes to using the third person singular and adding an S to the verb form. Some of you forgot that. So, how about doing a quick review on that? Very short exercise. What do you think? Do you all agree? Yes? Good. Well, I was thinking about that when I prepared this class. So, I have an exercise for you, and I would like you to help me choose the right verb form in each sentence. Okay? So, here we have this. Let's do the first one as an example. All right? The spirit of parkour lives in us. What do you think? Lives. Very well. And why is that? Because it's third person singular. So you add an S to the verb. You got the idea. You're very smart kids. So try to answer the other sentences. Write the right verb form. Okay? If you want to work in pairs, go ahead. If you have any doubts, just call me and I'll be around to help you. All right? Yes? May I help you? What is it? Oh, what is it? Look at all the sentences here. It's singular. You add an S to the verb. If it's plural, you don't add anything. You know, it's singular. If it's one person or one thing. And plural, it's many. Anything, there are many people. All right. Okay. So, go ahead. Can we check the answers now? Yes? Okay. So, what do we have here? Choose one of the verb forms to complete the sentences. The first one we've already done. Let's just read it. The spirit of parkour lives in us. Third person singular. Practitioners value hard work. Plural. Urban areas serve as obstacles. Plural. Parkour influences many kids. Third person singular. Parkour movements include running and jumping. Plural. Adam Dunlap values determination. Third person singular. Physical training requires discipline. Third person singular. Dressers influence a whole generation. That's very good. Remember that the more you are aware of your language problems, of your language difficulties, the easier it will be to overcome them. So if you have some kind of problem or difficulty, if you're not understanding a point or two, just tell me about them. Tell your friends about them. And share ideas with the others. And this way it will be easier for you to overcome your problems. Okay? So now that we've already understood a lot about this text, I'm going to ask you to answer some questions about it. You can work in pairs if you would like, and you can look for the answers right in the text. Okay? So let's see the questions.